Repairs are underway after a levee was damaged from the unprecedented amount of water in the Arkansas River. Officials say about 10% of the Levee in Faulkner County is compromised, but they add that it's not at risk of breaching. But they don't want to take any chances, so the Arkansas National Guard is flying in 165 super sandbags, and that's to reinforce the barrier. Each bag weighs thousands of pounds.
There's a small slough on the wet side of the levee where some dirt has washed off, and that's why we're bringing in the helicopters and such to fix that.
Officials say they will continue to keep an eye on the levee, but hopefully with the river expected to fall soon, the operation won't have to last much longer.